Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie Stained Glass. If this is the first time you're joining me, you're very welcome. Check out all my other videos, and if you're returning, well, thank you very much. Today's video I'm going to compare tallow and liquid flux and see if there's any difference and what the difference might be. I always use tallow because I like the oldie worldy charm that you get by using something that's been used for hundreds, possibly 1,000 years. And if there's ever a power cut, there's your candle, you see. Bit smelly. And actually, somebody said to me that they don't like it because they're a vegetarian. Well, they were vegan actually. Of course, this is made with beef fat. So that would be another reason to try using a liquid solder. I've always associated liquid solders with copper foil technique. I've used it years ago when I did some metal work. I used a liquid flux. Did I just say solder? I mean a liquid flux. When I make these videos, I just switch the words around all the time sometimes. Anyway, the instructions on this tell you to besmear the surface, which I think is a great word, you'll agree. And let's all try and work that into our conversation as much as possible, besmear. So I'm going to do a little experiment here. T stands for tallow, F for flux, as in liquid flux. And we'll see if the solder behaves differently on the joint, depending on whether it's liquid. So there we are, liquid. See how that goes. And tallow. And tallow. Okay, let's give this a go then. So this is 50-50, this solder. So first one, tallow, which is what I'm familiar with. So there we go. Now, liquid flux. Ooh, I didn't like that so much. No, didn't like that so much. Have to keep revisiting. No. Let's try the tallow again. Okay, that's a good solid joint. All right, that's okay, that one. Don't mind that one. It's not quite sitting on the surface as well as this one, and certainly that one's no good. So it is quite possible to use the liquid flux, and I've managed to get good joints, but I'd say I needed to work these two with the liquid flux more than the tallow. The tallow, I just got a good finish straight away. So if you prefer liquid flux, go for it, especially if you're vegetarian and you don't like the idea of tallow. But I'm going to be sticking with tallow. So thank you for watching. I hope that was interesting. Please like, comment and subscribe. And if you hit the bell button, you'll get notified every time I post. And check out my other videos. Thank you.